Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. And in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to order an item on Zalando. So first of all, you could simply launch Zalando app, or you could launch any web browser and then go to the official website of Zalando. Now, once you come here, you can go to the search bar and search for any category of item you wish to buy. Or at the bottom, you can tap on the product category you wish to choose. So for now, I'm going to tap on the product displayed on the home page. Now once you come here, you can see the price of the product and various specifications. You can choose the size accordingly. And then all you would have to do is tap on the option of Add to Bag. Once you do so, scroll up above and tap on the bag icon at the top right corner. Now, once you do so, you can see your subtotal amount of your cart. Now, you can see the payment options accepted by Zalando. You could tap on the option of Go to Checkout. Now, all you would have to do is choose a delivery address. You can add your address or directly add pickup point. Now, fill in all these details and then you will successfully be able to place an order on Zalando. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.